Hey guys, it's Conceive and I am back with another video. So I did want to do a review because I've mostly been doing reviewings. I've been working a lot, so that's why I haven't really been posting. I recently left my old job. I got a new job, and baby, I am working and I love it. I totally love it. People say office jobs are bad. I totally love being in an office job. Try being outside in every type of weather, and then you will enjoy and love being inside the office, sitting your butt down on that computer and dealing with paper all day. But I wanted to do a quick review on, all right, so I'm sorry about the box. I just got crazy because I didn't know the box like this. But the Conceive Easy box. Now, if you really down with me and you watch my YouTube, you knew that I had to do an IUI because of my irregular periods. And the first one failed, but the second one was very successful. So I wanted to try other ways to get pregnant without having to do another IUI or even go into IVF. So I seen, I'm not trying to show my address. I've seen Conceive Easy. For some women it worked, for some women it didn't. You can get it for $9.95, and it's a 2-month pills and stuff to take. So basically 30 days. So this is what it came in. So this is just on the top. There's nothing on the back. This is the instructions, and this is the TTC Get Started Kit. Now it says, I'm gonna read it. When should I start taking it? Use Conceive Easy, that's the name of the company, in chronological order, beginning with month 1. You may start taking Conceive Easy right away, at any time during your cycle. Taking 1 tablet daily with meals. Now, taking it during your cycle, a lot of women said that it stopped their period. So I will have to get back to y'all on that. I do not have my period right now, but I do use the flow tracker on Apple. It has been very good and very accurate, so I will use that, but still take the vitamins. So it says, how long will it take to get me pregnant? It says, while many people see results in the very first month, each individual's reproductive cycles are unique. So some people did say it worked, some people didn't. Some people said within 2 months, some people said within 2 weeks. You never know. Can you take it with any other medications? It says, because Conceive Easy is an all-natural solution with no common side effects, it is easy to take with other prescription and non-prescription medications. I don't know how to feel about that. I'm not on any other medications, prescripted, or anything like that. So for me, it would be fine. But if you know you take so many medications, try to hold off. Don't be too fast or too easy. I know you want to have a baby, but, you know, slow down. And this is what that looks like. So next we have Conceive Easy TTC Kit. TTC is trying to conceive, for those who are newbies like I was like a year ago. I didn't know what TTC was. So it comes with 20-piece pregnancy and ovulation tests. And this is basically a chart for you to track your ovulation and to track the pregnancy test you take. So with trying to conceive, a lot of women do this. It's good to track when to have sex and when to really have sex, basically. So you have, these are the pregnancy tests, and there are 10. So you get 10 pregnancy tests and 10 ovulation tests. And this is what it looks like. On the back, it tells you the different results that you get. So I see a lot of those on Amazon for like $9, $10, and you can get about 20 or 30. So if you ever need more, Amazon is really the go. So then you have the pills. So the pink one, all right. So the blue one is for month 1, and it's 30 tablets. And it's 30 tablets. And then you have the pink one, which is month 2, which is also 30 tablets. So I'm guessing they expect in 2 months for you to get pregnant. But you only pay $9.95, which is just shipping. This is usually around $50. So why not take advantage of only $10 for 60 pills? Why not? So I'm going to keep y'all updated on this journey because I need to see for myself if it works. And I want to come back with an honest review on whether or not it works. But thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.